Hi guys, good morning. I hope you guys are doing good, and I am Neha from Vaidehivines. If you're watching for the first time or if you're new to my channel, take a moment to please subscribe to my channel. That's really very important for me guys. So I create content around the things that influence me, जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है मैं उस चीज पे वीडियो बनाती हूँ. So please, first of all, please excuse me for this bare face because today is a review day. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the very popular and most talked about product, which is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick. So we're gonna talk about this in a couple of minutes. So first of all, I would like you to know that what is the recent update, what is going on in my life. So it'll be like a chit chat video. Okay, so the first update is that I am changing my place. I'm changing my house. Rose house hunting and Rose traveling is very pathetic and very tiring. Also guys, आने वाले time में I might not be able to upload videos on every Tuesdays or every Saturdays because of this house hunting and shifting and all those things, but I'll try my best to upload the video on all my commitment days. So please stay tuned guys, don't go anywhere. I will be coming up with a lot of new content and a lot of new videos. Also, I am very much tanned because of we went to Baga border last month and full day under sun bath. We had a proper sun bath which was not at all good. So we are very tan at this moment and tanning itni aasani se nahi jati hai. So I'm trying a lot of home remedies. If you want to know what I'm doing these days, also I'm kind of following a good diet. So if you want to know both the things, let me know in the comment section guys. I would love to read your comments and I really look forward for your comments. So please comment down below. So guys, this foundation is Makeup Revolution's Fast Base Stick Foundation and the MRP is 850 rupees. So मैं इसको बहुत टाइम से चाह रही थी परचेज करना, but I really wanted कि एक बार सेल पे आ जाए और मैं फटाक से ग्रैब कर लूँ क्योंकि ये सेल पे नहीं आता. इसमें बहुत सारे शेड्स हैं but choosing the correct shade is very difficult. So I purchased it for the first time from Myntra, and yes, Myntra do have a lot of good sale going on. This was retail of 850 rupees, but I got it for 675 approximately. There was 25% off. और एक और वेबसाइट है बिकॉज नायका पे कभी ऑफ नहीं आता, इस पे मैंने नहीं देखा. एक वेबसाइट और है जहाँ पे आप ऑफ ले सकते हैं विच इज़ hookmakeup.com. सो इन दोनों वेबसाइट पे आपको अच्छे डिस्काउंट मिलते हैं एंड ट्रस्ट मी हुक मेकअप पे अभी आई वाज जस्ट स्क्रॉलिंग, बहुत अमेजिंग ऑफर्स हैं. So I've seen a lot of foreign YouTubers in fact using this foundation and I thought that this is so easy to carry. It's a stick and I have never ever used a stick in my life. So let's see how the foundation's review goes. So I'm not going to much talk about the packaging, we all know, but still I'm going to talk about the shade, all those things which is really important for this review session. The shade goes from F1 till F18. Yeah, F1 till F18. So I'm going to read all the shades. Also मैं सारे shades for your convenience मैं सारे shades mention करूँगी description box में ताकि आपको कोई problem ना हो ढूंढने में. F1 is for fair skin tone with neutral undertone. F2 is for fair skin tone with yellow undertone. F3 for fair skin tone with pinkish undertone. F4 for light skin tone with neutral undertone. So these are all the kind of shades, like from F1 till F18 there are shades and इसमें सारे skin tone, सारे skin type, undertone सबके लिए colors हैं. This is the best foundation trick. So what it claims is that it's a full coverage foundation that gives a flawless coverage, hides blemishes, acne scars and even out skin tone. The easy to apply stick formula melts into skin, blending seamlessly, leaves a fresh and dewy finish. That's great. Can be used as a foundation, contour or highlighter. Wow. It is available in 18 shades in a range of undertones. So it says that it can be used with the beauty blender or brush. So one side I'm gonna do a beauty blender and one side is the brush. So yeah, if I talk about the packaging, this is the beautiful packaging. It's kind of a rose gold. The ring is like rose gold and girls, they love rose gold, right? So this is fully rose gold thing. Very beautiful, feels very royal and luxurious. That's the amount. So without further ado, let's get into the swatch. So I'm clearly zooming into my face so that I can clearly see my pores, dark circles, blackheads, everything, right? So I'm zooming in so I can clearly get a clear picture. So let's get started. Okay, so as I've applied nothing on my face, I'm gonna spray little plump thing on my face, which is face mist. Also, that this reminds me of making a video of all the best plum products I have. Yeah. I'm gonna apply a serum because my skin needs water, honey. This is by Kiehl's. Okay, by the way, I am in shade F6. So, okay, so I have some scar on my face, like, you know, the acne scar. Let's see if this foundation can hide my acne scars and marks. Okay. That was very easy.
Oh, this is so soft.
Can you see that? This place exactly, I had that acne scar, acne mark. It is so soft and so, it's so easy to use. Zip, zip, quick, quick. Hello, let's paint the face. जहाँ तक मैं assume कर रही हूँ, this is a good shade. Now, I'll just wet my beauty blender with the Mist Clear Fixing Spray. Here you go, honey. It is quite white according to my face. So I still have those marks. Can you see how quick it is? I guess the brush side is very beautiful. It's far better than the beauty blender side. So this is exact my skin color and this is the foundation color. So this is quite white. But let's see, कुछ foundations ऐसे होते हैं जो थोड़े टाइम बाद settle होते हैं face पे. So I'm going to use the Fit Me's concealer and I am in shade 25 medium honey. The base is done. Let me complete the full makeup, then I'll come in front of you guys and give you the conclusion of this, okay? Hi, so done with this look. And abhi right now I'm standing, you know, in the tube light and some direct light. Let me switch off the light so that I can get a clear picture. So yeah, as you can see, the foundation has settled and it is kind of matching my, you know, skin tone. I have not applied foundation this part. This is full sunlight, natural light, no flashlight, nothing. So one thing which I did not like about the product is as I sweat a lot, for a person like me who, see, I sweat a lot, like for a person like me who sweat, you know, unconditional, if that's the right term, ये foundation उनके लिए नहीं है. Yeah, this is more light. Yeah, this foundation is really good for photography, videography. You can see very clearly. I'm giving a very close up. This is not at all full coverage. I know it claims, but for me it is not at all full coverage foundation, guys. I will rate this foundation on the scale of 10. So I'm gonna rate this 5.5. Yeah, because I guess my L'Oreal one, L'Oreal Infallible Fit Me, is far better than this foundation. Sorry, but an honest review, because I kind of, you know, I kind of feel some patches right near my face, mouth area. गाइज वन थिंग मोर, कैमरा में चीज़ें बहुत डिफरेंट दिखती हैं, लेकिन जब हम रियल लाइफ में सामने शीशे में खड़े होकर देखते हैं तो बहुत डिफरेंट होता है लुक. सो आई एम नॉट गोना गिव यू ओपिनियन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कैमरा, यू नो, लुक, बट आई एम गोना गिव यू द रिव्यू जो मुझे खुद को सामने देख के ये चीज़ फील हुई. So I kind of have a, you know, patches around this my mouth area, like my nose area, and some right above this forehead. So for me this is 5.5, and if you still want to invest, you want to try, that's your call, guys. My job is to give you an honest review. So yeah, it is a buildable foundation. You can build according to your coverage, like the kind of coverage you want. It is very smooth, very soft. I don't think that it can last for I don't think that can last for more than 7 or 8 hours. I don't think so. So that's it, guys. I really hope that you like my video. I really hope that this is little helpful for you. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, so please hit that subscribe button. That's very, 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 very important for me. Don't go without subscribing, alright?